and peep the technique. But don't sweat the technique. I speak indiscreet, cause talk is cheap. Then I get deep in the beat, think complete. Pole with the seat, never weak or obsolete. They never grow old, techniques become antiques. Better than something brand new, cause it's original. In a while, style I have much more value. Classical, too intelligent to be radical. Masterful, never irrelevant, mathematical.